How to spell check subtitles in other languages. To begin, I opened a subtitle which is in another language other than English, and I want to spell check it. First go to Spell Check tab and select Get Dictionaries. Now select the language your subtitle is in and click on Download button. My subtitle is in Farsi or Persian. Now go to Spell Check tab again and select Spell Check and select the language of your subtitle. If you want to skip a word, just click on Skip One button. You can change the text here or use one of the suggestions. And if you want it to correct the word for all the lines, click on Use Always button. And when you are happy with result, just close this window. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.